Hey everybody, this is Keith with New Groove. Beth and I went to a wonderful fundraising event last night at the Notre Dame School of Dallas, and they are educating students with developmental disabilities. My friend David Smallwood at the Dallas Zoo, he knows who this group is. They bring a group of adults over to the zoo and they do interpreting and guest engagement. They talk about the animals, and we just love having them there. So, this morning, I just want to talk quickly about something that you might try and practice over the weekend. I know it's Friday; everybody's probably super excited. You got probably some big emotions because you got things you want to do. You're excited, you're happy, maybe, and it's hard sometimes to imagine our emotions as something physical and tangible. So, what I would like is over the weekend, when you have really big emotions and feelings, or maybe your children or somebody else is just having something really big happening, I want you to think about all of that energy inside your body as a physical object, like a car or a ball or even a train, something that's in motion that has a lot of energy behind it. And think about how hard it is once something has a lot of energy behind it, how hard it is for that object to stop, right? It's really hard to stop an object in motion. It's a little easier if you just divert that energy until it can calm itself, uh, and then it's easier to work with, right? So, what I want you to do over the weekend is just imagine that. And if you are having those big emotions, or you are with somebody else who's having really big emotions, and it could be anything. It could be happiness, joy, sadness, anger, frustration. Really, anything. Once there's a lot of energy behind it, it becomes a big object in motion and it's hard to stop. So just think about that when you are on the receiving end of an object coming towards you with a lot of energy behind it. Don't try and just stand up and say, stop what you're doing. You need to calm down. Think about it as an object in motion and try and get that to divert a little bit until some of that energy dissipates. And then you can work with it and you can help that other person understand that, yes, you have a lot of energy behind your emotions or big emotions. Let's just take them on a little side path and let them calm themselves down just a little bit, just to help them to understand. So that's what I want you to focus on over the weekend. Thanks. Bye.